So here you have your 2-digit subtraction worksheet. So I want to help you complete that. So the first thing you need to do is, have the sheet. And you need to make sure that you have a pencil. I am going to use my marker. Do not use a marker. Don't use a pen because you are not going to be able to erase that. But I am going to use a marker because I know the last time I used the pencil, you couldn't see it too clearly on the video. So first thing I need for you to do every time you get a piece of paper or have your work is what? Write your name. So you write your name. I am going to write my name. Let me see. Miss Lalana. All right, so let's look at the first one. I have 76 minus 67. Oh, we forgot to read the directions. Let's read that first. Use subtraction to solve the following problems. All right, let's start with this one. 76 minus 67. All right, so first we subtract the ones place. 6 take away 7. Let me see, 6 fingers. Do you have 6 fingers? Oh, can you see mine? 6 fingers. Can you take away 7 from that? Oh, no, you can't. So what does the 6 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Hey, number 7, I need to borrow something from you. Okay. All right, so we're going to cross that out. So the 7 is going to be a 6. And really, we didn't take 1 away from that. That's in the tens place. So we took 10 away. So I need to add that 10 I took away from that 7 to this 6 and make it a what? 16. So that's regrouping. So now I do 16 take away 7. And we get, what's that? All right, so you start at 7. Put 7 in your mind. 7, count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much is that? 9. And then 6 take away 6 is what? 0. So you can leave it 9 like that, or if you want to write the 0, you can write the 0. So that's the same thing as 9. All right, let's look at number 2. We have 20 take away 11. So what part do we subtract first? The ones part. All right, 0 take away 1. Can you take 1 away from 0? No, there's nothing there. So what does the 0 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Number 2. Hey, number 2, can I borrow something from you? Okay. So we cross out the 2. And that becomes a 1. And since I took 10 away, well, it looks like I took 1 away, but that's really taking 10 away from that 2. The 0 becomes a what? 10. So now I subtract. 10 take away 1 is 9. And then 1 take away 1 is what? 0. Oh, look, that's weird. The same answer for number 1 and number 2. Now, you need to make sure you're doing the work correctly, okay? Don't just copy my answers. You need to make sure you regroup, you cross the numbers out on the top, you change them to the new numbers they become, so don't forget to do that part, okay? All right, let's look at number 3. 71 take away 24. What do we do first? Subtract the ones. 1 take away 4. Let me see one finger. One finger. Can you take away 4 from that? Oh, no. So what does the 1 have to do? Borrow from the 7. Number 7! Hey! This number 4 is trying to take something away from me. I don't have enough. Can I borrow? And number 7 said, okay. So the 7, that's like a 70. We're going to cross that out, and that becomes a 6. And the 1 becomes a what? 11. So now we subtract 11, take away 4, that's 7. So you could start at 4. So put 4 in your mind. 4, and then we count all the way to 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so that's 7. And then 6 take away 2. Now if you don't know that, show me 6 fingers, take away 2, and that's what? 4. 47. All right, let's look at number 4. 85 minus 12. All right, so we start right here on the ones place. 5, take away 2. What's 5 minus 2? Can we do that? Can we take 2 away from 5? Yes. So does 5 have to say, number 8, do I need to borrow? No, 5 does not have to regroup. We don't have to regroup anything. We don't have to borrow anything. We can just take 2 away from 5. And what's that? 3. So I'm going to write the 3 right here. And then 8, take away 1. Let me see 8. Let me see 8 fingers. All right, take away 1. What's that? 7. So the answer for that one is 73. Okay, so I helped you with the first row. Let's review that. We have 9, 9, 47, and then 73. What I want you to do is go ahead and work out the rest of the sheet, and I don't know, we'll see if there's going to be a part 2, but make sure you get the work done. Make sure that if you need to regroup, if there's not enough to subtract, that you do that, okay? So don't forget to do that part, because if not, your answers are going to be wrong, okay? So get your homework done. If you need to practice some more, just go ahead and start the video back over so you can practice that some more. All right, do your best.